Hello, hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and today we're going to produce this turned Bunn Foot. Now this is going to be the first in many variations that will soon be produced, but this will definitely show off why all turning centers are not created equal. The blank for this Bunn Foot is mounted into our turning center workstation using a 4-jaw chuck. All the cutters shown throughout this demonstration are from magnate.net. The surfacing cutter is used to quickly rough the material, but also to cut the precision joinery on the square end of the blank. All the cutting techniques shown throughout this demonstration were programmed using Legacy's CCAM Pro software. This software gives Legacy customers the ability to create unlimited turning possibilities. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. This will be the first of many variations that we're going to produce for Bunn Feet. To learn more about Legacy CNC systems and to see what they can produce for you, check out our website at lwmcnc.com. You can always talk to a CNC expert by calling 801-491-0010. If you would like to see more cutting demonstrations like these, click right over there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check the little notification box so you can get notified for new videos like these. And as always, thanks for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.